How to bulk upload Reels in Meta Business Suite. So what you're gonna do, go ahead to your page, of course, and go to the home section. Over here, you're gonna find the more option, press on that, and you will find the bulk upload Reels. So from here, as you can see, you can upload up to 50 videos. And we're gonna try that right now. As you can see, we added a few random videos. And from here, you can just set it up instead of doing one by one Reels. So there's a copyright checker description, so they will know what it's about. You have the scheduling and editing options if you want to publish it now, schedule it for another time, or if you just want to save it as draft if you don't know when to upload it just yet, or you're not wanting to upload it yet. And over here is going to be more edit options. So maybe you want to change the description, add thumbnails, frames, and uploading images, tags, and collaborators. You want to see what the video would look like in desktop version, optimization, captions, and publishing. Once you're done with everything, you can save it as well. If you want to add more videos, it's right here in the top right corner. And once everything is set, copyright checked, and done uploading, you can just go ahead and press on publish, and then you will have bulk uploaded your reels. But anyways, hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.